Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back
to channel.
Come here. Look at here first. Hi.
Hi.
How are you, my love?
How you doing, mommy?
How are you doing, mommy? What is that?
Hot.
Hot? Is that how you do your hot? You're so beautiful, baby girl. Aww, so beautiful. Oh, shush, kissing to mama. Are you mama's princess?
Hot.
Yeah, where are we going?
Mommy.
Where are we going?
To the house with.
Where?
We're going to the house.
Where? House where?
In on top there.
Oh, no, top there. Okay. Naligo kaming dalawa kanina, guys, kaya fresh ang aming pa-aura ni Baby Celine today. Andito kami ngayon sa Japanese na, alam niyo yung maliit na shop dito malapit sa amin. Bumili kami ng matibigay. Matibigay. Come on. Ito siya, sleepy na kasi anong oras na. Order kami ng teriyaki chicken and rice kasi gustong gusto yun ni Baby Celine. Ang ganda ng araw, guys. My goodness. Wala kang makikita ng clouds or anything. Napaka-blue ng skies namin sa Brisbane. It's just because nandito kami sa shade, nag-jacket kami kasi maginaw pa rin yung hangin. But if you're outside, direct from, direct na sunlight, very, very warm. So, pick upin natin si Ate Paris, guys, after dito. At alam nyo ba kung saan kami pupunta after that? So, kanina umaga, tinawagan ko yung tita ko. And, kasi may pick upin akong na-mention ko kahapon na yung boots para sa Melbourne trip namin. So, hindi ko siya pick up yesterday, sabi ko today. And then, yung pick up pa namin ng shoes ay actually just 6 minutes away from where my family lives. So, sabi ko, we'll just go and visit my tita since she's home. But she said na meron silang appointments today with my tito and also sabi niya, how about tonight? Kasi ano daw, yung nanay Lily ko daw ay meron silang going away party, dinner kind of thing para sa tita ko kasi she will go to Spain for 2 months, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And magtitipon-tipon daw yung family. So, sabi ko, di ba, kasama si Daddy Mike? Go get the sticker. Kasi si Daddy Mike ay hindi matatapos hanggang 7 o'clock. And it's 30-something minutes drive papunta doon. So, kami na lang ng market. Here's our food. Ayan siya. Tapos sinabihan ko na lang na hindi palagyan ng mga dahon-dahon kasi hindi naman namin kinakain. Saan? Ayan. Teriyaki, chicken, tapos may rice siya sa ilalim. Ako na talaga hindi kumakain ng ganito, guys. Salad. Salad yung tawag na ito eh. Sa amin is, sa aming bukid ay sagbot. Oh, and have a look at my bling bling for today's video, guys. So, nag-unbox kami ni Daddy Mike nito kagabi. Kagabi ba? No, the night before. And oh my God, tingnan nyo. Oh my God, heart. Ipanghilista lang ang ating peg dito, guys. Sa ring na po. Ayan. Ano? Napakaganda. Ayan. Super nice. Ginanti lang pa niya, guys. Dito ko nilagay kasi meron akong isang bato dito. Over naman. OA naman siya sa maraming bato ko. So, dito ko siya nilagay. Para pang accessorize. Here you go, my princess girl. Not on the table. Not on the table because the lady will get angry. You have to sit on the chair, okay? There you go. Sabi ng tita ko, it's perfect timing din kasi kami aalis kami ng Thursday, di ba? Yes, okay, baba. So, magkikita-kita before, biyahe ba? And it's going to be amazing as well because I'm going to meet my pinsan, di ba na-mention ko sa vlog the other day. May dumating kaming isang pinsan from the Philippines, guys. Nag-study siya dito. Hindi ko ba siya na-meet? So, ma-meet ko siya mamaya. Parang ano na yung celebration, guys. Like, first meeting and going away party. Yan yung maganda guys kapag may relatives ka na malapit pa. Ilong ko parang black na ako. Kaya nga guys, hindi ako makaringa. Pero may hangin. Celaka. Tingnan mo. Ano yung baligya, day?
Chocolate.
Ano yung baligya? Hindi ako nito ba? Para dalhin namin dito mamaya para ano naman, may wit-wit naman ka. No, chocolate in there. Yeah, you got lots there. Oh, this way. Pumasok kami sa Woolies kasi bili lang ng tubig, guys. Cheaper kasi dito kasi doon na sa labas. Come on, this way. The what, no? Dito na kami sa sasakyan, guys. Hubad yung jacket kasi very warm sa loob ng sasakyan. Nag-stop kami ni Baby Celine doon sa op shop kasi yung kinainan namin is yung op shop 3 doors away. Ano nun yung op shop. So, of course, hindi pinalagpas ni Mami nyo. Tingin-tingin kami at nakabili si Mami nyo ng I'll show you, but this is so beautiful daw, guys. It's super nice. Tinry ko siya at pinicturean ko yung sarili ko para makita ko. And it seems to be nice, guys. And, sobrang ganda pa ng kanyang sisilan. And this is original. Kaya, sabi ko, grab that one. It's a really good price as well. So, this is a Prada. I think, hindi naman to siya guys, glasses lang. Kasi may kulay din siya. So, I think this is like a very light lang na sunnies. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Apakaganda ng kanyang logo sa giliran. Kanyang harapan. Diba? Sobrang ganda niya talaga, guys. Kaya sabi ko, ay, bibilhin ko to. Kinis-kinis pa niya, guys. Parang bago pa talaga siya. Wala siyang kagas-gas-gas-gas sa kanyang lenses. Ready? Steady, go. Ayun siya, oh. Diba? Ganda lang sa sa gilid ganyan, oh. Yung kanyang para dyan. Diba? Okay lang ba, guys? Okay lang ba, guys? No, maganda siyang tingnan. Pang aura. Oh, diba? Suotin ko nga. Hindi naman si mami nyo, guys. Kapag later on ay naano natin na ay hindi bagay, pwede natin i-resell. Ano? Ganyan ang buhay ng online seller, guys. Ayan, buying and selling. Yeah, I love it. Nak, what do you think? You like it? Ate Paris is here now, guys. Yung ating baby Celine ay sleeping. Do you know where we're going lang? Hmm? It's a surprise.
Cousins? Hello!
No, we're going there now. We're gonna go pick up Mama's boots. And then we'll go straight there. Because it's not far from there. You better finish up your lunch.
Why are we gonna see cousins?
Because we're gonna have some get together. Okay, sit down. Sit down on. Are you excited? Yes. You're going to meet another kuya. Another tito. The one that just arrived from the Philippines. Okay, let me go. Come on, let's go. Hi guys!
Hello!
Here's Anton. Are you okay with the vlog?
Okay.
Oh yeah, here's another cousin, guys. Who just arrived fresh from the Philippines. Ate Jovi.
Nice to meet you. There you go.
Yeah, we're cousins that we actually don't know each other. Look, diretso sila. Agad Hi, Richie!
Richie, stop.
Hoy! Kinsa ka? Naroon akong mga gwapo nga mga igagaw, guys. So, sus, dili pa. Not only handsome, also hardworking.
Okay, Mike.
Huh? He's working, eh. Someone has to make money, eh.
May dinner kasi kami mamaya po. Alam ko birthday.
Hello!
Hello,
Apo.
kumusta?
Okay lang. Maganda pa rin. Char.
That's good to hear.
Normal ice ba? Mura ra ni wala jud ko'y masabtan. But is this what you're studying that?
Patadlo sa gunin.
Maayo na ay kay nanay mong mga bro magkuan.
Amo rin tabangan para magtabang-tabang po dito.
Precious of tita ka taka ra kag silid niya.
I remember.
Agoy.
Asa ba sila?
Precious of?
Yes.
Good girl. Nandito kami sa pangalawang bahay, guys. So kanina nandun kami kina that's tatay. Just leave it there somewhere. Dito kami sa tito ko. Kanina sa tita. Ayun, tito. Tapos mamaya sa nanay. Yan yung kagandahan, guys, kapag may family. Hi, to! Bless, tatay.
Are you okay?
A plus.
Are you okay now?
Tatay already.
Oh, yeah.
Bless, tatay already, she said. Are you sure? I don't think you did.
You're more than okay than me.
Ray said it.
Are you okay?
You already?
But I'm gonna go inside to
Don't take a picture.
Are you sure?
It's more bitter than before.
By the nanay, because we're going to another nanay. Bye-bye.
What about tatay?
Bye-bye, tatay.
Tatay. Tatay.
Kamukat na to. Ayaw to. Kayo mabubugwak.
Kiss na lang tatay, ha? Nanigawas na kita niya beauty.
Say bye-bye.
Hi, Dan. How's the practice na mo?
Ate, put your shoes on now. So we are in another house, guys. This is our nanay Lily's house. Thanks, kuya.
What's that light? What's that light?
Yeah, that's the light. Yeah, we'll go.
It's cold, hey.
Yeah. Now, like, this is cold for us. Mike and I were talking. So, like, can you imagine Melbourne?
Oh my goodness.
I'm not even.
Like in terms of cold. Ooh, I whacked that down.
Oh no! Hello, little girl. Little girl.
Can we bring shoes inside? Hi, Tata, how are you?
Let me just go through.
Good to see you. Oh, look at that. Very
Stop walking. Come on. Come on. Say, I'm not.
Hi, Nanay. Hi, Nanay. Wala ka-invite. Wala ka-invite. Ha? Wag, invite. Ano ka, wala ka-invite. Ato na punta. Ano ko nga. Wala ka-invite din na kayo.
Stop, Aria.
Yes, another grandkid in Australia, Nanay. Yeah, no. Taller than you. Taller than me. Hi. Oh, give to Nanay. Give to Nanay. Uy, buyag, Nanay. Buyag naman. Salamat, Nanay. Nalahi na bitayin mo si Tito Edgar Gapon. Yun siya nga nalahi na ang naong ni Isanay Karan. Buyag. Nihayag na yung vlog siya na. Dahil siya nagamit sa ako siya. Nagamit siya sa lotion. Where's Kawan?
Oh, in Gold Coast. It's working.
Ay, lingkot. Habulok na ka pa.
Yeah, outpost. It's like 3.
So now everyone's really stressed out. Hello. Here. Show your face.
Well, we're a puppy.
Oh. Why aren't you showing your face? Have you hello? Say hello. Hi. Mama, it's not working.
It's not working, is it? Ah.
Yeah, Lisa.
Not working? It is working. You have to, like this, yeah?
Okay.
She first introduced me to it. I'm like, this is the weirdest thing ever. But I was like, careful.
Not working. Hello, everyone. Hello. Welcome to our vlog. Hello. This is to Dolores and Pilar. Hello. They didn't get a. I feel like they missed the.
They use this now. They look at the camera and they're like, yeah, okay, we'll give you something.
They bought the thing last minute, but
Anak, agoy, nalimpyo ang salong ni nanay. Gimap niya yung uniform na eh? Mas labaho lagi nangitag sapi. Mic is working. Oh, yeah, it's not working now. It's finished, but it finished like 7. Kumana ka, dali-dali kayo siya, Nay. Dali-dali nagtulong, no? Tukan nga na ka. Make sure you chew it, ha? Tunlong na diretso. Nasupa. Diba na nanay mo ka ba? Nabuksan ka. Kadaghan mo sa imong kuan ba na? Stock na eh. Kapag is balanda.
I want the jelly.
You don't have to have the jelly.
I just want no.
I'll have it for you. You eat the jelly with the ice cream.
I don't want jelly. I don't want ice cream.
Okay.
I don't feel like eating jelly. I don't feel like Is that your pipe?
Yes. We don't drink Coke, yeah? You see, you're having ice cream. No more.
No, I need ice cream.
Here you go. There you go. What do you say to Nanay? Careful. Put it on the table. Sure, I don't like it. Lagyan na kayo.
Sarah's like light mode.
What?
I honestly don't after doing that. And it's everyone.
Celine.
That was so much fun. I was like, oh, we have our own.
Is it Gladstone again this year? Or?
Wait, what's happening?
It's gonna be in Brizzy this year. I have a feeling.
Ah, maramag Tagalayo. 5 minutes, 2 minutes naman na yun ay.
Hi.
Hello.
Good, good. Oh,
Good to see you. Good to see you. Galingaw kasi silin. Oh, kadaghan yung tito.
A lot of noise.
Cover the ear. Too noisy. Okay. Basta. Daghan kayo mga tito. Nagbukad lawas ng mga tito.
A few moments later.
Guys, tulog na ang lahat. At ako lang ang nag-iisang gising. Patulog na rin ako guys kasi anong oras ng ating gabi na. So yung dalawang girls ay natulog sa kanilang kwarto. But expected na yan na si Baby Celine ay mag-move mamaya mga around 1 to 2. That's when she moved to the, yung room namin. So I just clean my face guys. Naglagay ako ng ating toner and then ito kasi may naiwan pa ako nitong SY Glow na night cream. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa mukha ko. Then just brush our hair para naman hindi siya tangled pagkagising natin. Ang sarap talaga sa feeling kapag naliguan yung buhok. Kasi, ano siya parang may bouncy effect. Just ko lang. Anyways, we're going to end the vlog here now. Gusto ko lang mag-shoutout. Kasi, medyo matagal na rin tayo hindi nakapag-shoutout. Shoutout to Delaney Prince, hello po. Marlene Suitos, Mary Ann Mina, Marisa Serrano, Lenny Langit, Jamila Kawaja, Irene Aliperio, Magdalena Risoles, Yet Palino, Victoria Baptista, Mercy Narito, Chic Life, Lulu Rodelas, Joe Ward Lozada, Efigenia Zarate, Jenly Beauchamp, and George Blackston. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.